Today I want to go through with you reno flip and how you can turn into a simple renovation, add some values to it and make some quick money. So let me just go through this. This is a property in the Eastern Beaches. That's a backyard. It's on a 250 square meter block. This is actually a studio in the backyard. Now, the front yard looks very simple. House is not renovated. It's a three-bedroom house with a lounge room, living and dining down the back, one bathroom. Very simple, standard house. So the owner bought this back in 2022 for 2.57 million. And all he did was he put a DA approval through the council. Just want to show you the new floor plans that he did. He's turned that into two levels. Put a master bedroom down. I put a bedroom downstairs, another bedroom next to it, bathroom, laundry, kitchen. So he turned that from a three-bedroom initial house into a five-bedroom, three bathrooms house with a pool at the back. And I'll show you the renovation in a second. That house just sold for in the vicinity of 4.6 million. Now, if you look at the numbers 2.57 to 4.6, let's say if he spent $1 million on renovation, which I think costs a lot less than that given the land size is quite small, he would have made probably just over $1 million profit for a 12 months of work. That's almost 25% profit going to his pocket. In terms of the growth of the property, you're probably looking at closer to almost 50% growth from his initial purchase price. If you look at the house of what he's done, let's have a look at the front. He's changed it, and the house doesn't even have a garage. It's just got a car space. This is the internal downstairs bedroom. He's done a big renovation, so nothing's been spare changed. That's a bathroom upstairs. Already shown this. That's a downstairs inside. This is a kitchen inside, so he's made a 3-meter ceiling downstairs. And upstairs a 2.7. Very nice interior finish. Every room has its own zone aircon. Upstairs, as you can see, that's the other feature of the property, where it has a lot of lighting to make the house look a lot bigger, with bright furnishing, light colors to make the house look bigger. The other thing he did was, once he made it double story, you have an ocean view to the side as well. So that's another plus. So in a nutshell, within a 12 months period, all he did was some renovation with a DA approval, changed the layout of the house, made extra bedrooms, extra bathrooms, put a pool in the back, and for a simple exercise like that, for 12 months, he made $1 million plus just in profit. It's easy as that. And if you want to do a cash out from a bank to get into your next project and you don't want to sell it, you can always get the bank to revalue the property, cash out the equity difference, and move on to your next project. It's as simple as that. If you do your homework right, you know where you're buying, and you know what the reno finish and the product's going to be, then you're going to make money on it. That's my wrap for the day.